In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix this problem or this error code when logging into your Microsoft account. Basically, there's multiple ways to fix this problem, and the simplest one is going to be adjusting your date and time on your Windows setting. It's really important to get this right because you won't be able to connect to the right server if your date and time is not set into your current time zone. Now we also want to use different sign-in. Basically, when prompted, you want to select other ways to sign in and use a code sent to your phone or email or the authenticator application. Another way to also fix this problem is to restart your network. You want to switch from Wi-Fi to Ethernet, or maybe to your Ethernet to your Wi-Fi, or maybe use a mobile hotspot to rule out some network issues. Now, we also want to make sure to run the troubleshooter for Windows. You can just type troubleshooter, and then you will be able to see a list of your problems right here. Now, for the last fix, you want to make sure that you have updated your Windows to the latest version. You can just click on check for updates, and basically right after that, if you see an unavailable update right here, you can just update your Windows computer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.